The food and beverage industry is constantly evolving to bring consumers high-quality products. With new trends perpetually on the horizon and competition at an all-time high, food and beverage companies need to be agile and efficient. They need visibility into costs, inventory levels, and production planning, and they can't afford to waste time on manual processes that create data disparities, hamper decision-making, and hinder collaboration. To keep pace, food and beverage manufacturers and distributors need a platform that provides total visibility across the business, along with industry-specific functionality to manage costs, reduce waste, and ensure the quality of every product made. Aptean Food and Beverage ERP is an integrated cloud-based system built on the Microsoft Dynamics 365 platform that provides real-time visibility and end-to-end control over operations. With one integrated platform, teams can easily collaborate. Quality and regulatory checks can be automatically scheduled to ensure products meet standards for safety and convenience, and your business can quickly react to and capitalize on opportunities when they arise. No matter what type of food or beverage products you're producing, manufacturing, processing, or delivering, Aptean can help you face today's challenges and achieve tomorrow's growth with our Food and Beverage ERP.